Art is a diverse range of human activities involving creative imagination to express technical proficiency, beauty, emotional powers, or conceptual ideas. Throughout history, art has had a critical role in the modern world as it works hand in hand with innovating societies and state of being as we evolved it.
The Paleolithic Age. Cave paintings were found in this age. They are type of parietal art found on the wall or ceilings of caves. Cave drawings were used as a way to recount events and the things early man had treasured. One such thing being the hunt. They illustrate how man thought during that era.
The Neolithic era. Man began to form settlements, and this was the commencement of the Neolithic era. They used art as a way to honor ancestors and as a part of ritual practices done by way of statues, masks, totems, etc. This era laid the foundation of art as a whole.
Harappan Age. It was one of the first civilizations in Asia. Also known as Indus Valley Civilization, it lasted from 2500 to 1700 BCE. The forms of art around from various sites of this civilization include sculptures, seals, pottery, jewelry, terracotta figures, etc. More than 2000 seals have been unearthed from various sites. They are generally small, flat, rectangular or square and made of clay or copper. They are generally carved with animal figures. The famous bull was found in Harappa. The figure has been made well, a proof of the fine artistic skills acquired by the people of that time. The Dancing Girl. The figure of the famous dancing girl is another bronze entity found at Harappa. It is formed by lost wax method. She is shown in a dancing posture wearing jewelry made of ivory or bones. Her hair is neatly tied in a form of bun with a calming expression.
Old Age Calligraphy. Calligraphy is a visual art related to writing. The origin of calligraphy with brushes dates back to the ancient China during the Shang dynasty. Later, different forms were created in various countries around the world, including Japan, India, Tibet, and Europe. Indian calligraphy is the Indian tradition of calligraphy. The art form has served multiple purposes, including the duplication of religious texts and as a form of basic communication. Calligraphy has different forms and styles in different countries. It has evolved tremendously.
The world's first coin appeared around 600 BCE in a kingdom in Greece. They featured the stylized head of a lion and were made of electrum, an alloy of gold and silver. Later, countries adopted the art of coinage. One of the famous coins from Old Age are the coins from Lydia bearing the Trojan horse seal. Roman and Greek coins had the image of Christian cross. Coinage of India consisted of silver or copper coins. It bore the image of deities and god and goddesses.
Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian polymath of the High Renaissance who was active as a painter, draftsman, engineer, scientist, theorist, sculptor, and architect. Leonardo's most famous painting of the 1490s is The Last Supper. It represents the last meal shared by Jesus with his disciples before his capture and death and shows the moment when Jesus said, "One of you will betray me," and the consternation that this statement caused. Among the works created by Leonardo in the 16th century is the portrait known as Mona Lisa, the laughing one. In the present era, it is arguably the most famous painting in the world.
Michelangelo. Michelangelo was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect, and poet of High Renaissance, born in the Republic of Florence, who exerted an unparalleled influence on the development of Western art. Scholars have regarded him as the greatest artist of his age and of all time. One of his best known works is The Creation of Adam, which is regarded as one of the finest works of art from his age. Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh was a Dutch post-impressionist painter who later became one of the most famous and influential figures in the history of Western art. In a decade, he created about 2100 artworks, including around 860 oil paintings, most of which date from the last 2 years of his life. One of his most renowned paintings include The Starry Night.
Art has evolved prominently over these centuries, from cave paintings and symbols to finest portraits, landscapes, and paintings. The evolution is massive. Man learned to display his feelings, his thoughts, and his emotions into art. Art is not just colors and pencils, it's the message and emotion of the artist, which he is trying to deliver to the audience. Art is evolution.
Art is not what you see, but what you make others see.
This world is but a canvas to our imagination. Art has the power to reinterpret the meaning of life through a new lens. It presents the world in a way that changes the perspectives and values of the audiences towards reality. By creating a new understanding of life and existence, art can be a social vehicle that shifts perceptions and changes in society. Art is an integral part of Ashoka Group of Schools. We offer a plethora of art and design activities that the students can choose from and engage with their creative sides, such as drawing and painting, sculpture, pottery, and many more. Drawing is one of the oldest forms of human expression within the visual arts. It is concerned with the making of lines and areas of tone onto paper, where the accurate representation of the visual world is expressed upon a plane surface. Sculpture is the branch of visual arts that operates in 3 dimensions. Durable sculptural processes originally used carving and modeling in stone, metal, ceramics, wood and other materials, but since the modernism there has been almost complete freedom of materials and process. Wood art is the art of fashioning and ornamenting objects of wood by cutting with a sharp handheld instrument. Hobby ideas showcase DIY crafts like quilling, origami, decoupage, fabric painting, glass painting, best out of waste and clay. It provides users with an opportunity to learn new creations. Calligraphy is a visual art related to writing. It is the design and execution of lettering with a pen, ink brush or other writing instrument. It can also be defined as the art of giving form to sign in an expressive, harmonious and skillful manner. Pottery is the process and the product of forming vessels and other objects with clay and other ceramic materials, which are fired at high temperatures to give them a hard, durable form. Major types include earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Sand animation is the manipulation of sand to create animation. An artist creates a series of images using sand, a process which is achieved by applying sand to a surface and then rendering images by drawing lines and figures in the sand with one's hands. Students are given the platform to showcase their creativity through engagement and experimentation with a range of media, materials, and techniques, including a new media and technologies. At Ashoka, we prepare students for life, helping them to develop an informed curiosity and a lasting passion for learning.
When one would think of art in the past, it would be paper, pencil, and colors. Usually, computer and technology did not come to mind. Now, because of modern technology, the digital age is uncovering vast ways to create amazing works of art through computer tools and software. Art is now digitally created and can appear unbelievable to the modern eye. Digital art has a special and unique place in the future. It is therefore truly said that art is electric. We are living in a transformational era fueled by the rise and shine of digital technology. Our talented artists are looking at new ways of using the web and other digital tools such as laptop, tabs, and PC to make art. This also enables our Ashokites to encompass all the animation techniques that are done exclusively with the use of computers. With digital animation, it is possible to do both 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional animation. Animation has enabled students to skillfully present background, story, short film, and visual effects. Thus, we see that digital art is much like drawing. One has to be skilled with these tools just as they do with the drawing tools. With digital art, there are so many options to do. One can make their artwork lifelike. Art has always been a part of large number of people's life and has spread emotions and inspirations throughout the world. In future, we aim to do so by giving it a tinge of digital world. Digital painting is an emerging art form in which traditional painting techniques such as watercolor, oils, impasters, etc. are applied using digital tools by means of a computer, graphic tablets, stylus, and software. All digital painting programs try to mimic the use of physical media through various brushes and paint effects. In most digital painting programs, the user can create their own brush style using a combination of texture and shapes. This ability is very important in bridging the gap between traditional and digital painting. Digital painting thrives mostly in production art. It is most widely used in conceptual design for film, television, and video games. Digital painting softwares such as Corel, Painter, Adobe Photoshop, ArtRange, GIMP, Krita, and OpenCanvas have given artists a similar environment to a physical painter, just like a canvas, painting tools, mixing palettes, and a multitude of color options. To succeed in digital art, our students are further trying their hands upon product designing.
The influence of era on Indian Bollywood music is visible in the upcoming performances where music evolves from a more classical base to modern electronic music. We can also observe how the West has evolved in the field of music.
जादू है में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता जा रहा है। झूम 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 बाबा, 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 झूम 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 बाबा।
कहना ही क्या, ये नैन एक अनजान से जो मिले, चलने लगे मोहब्बत के जैसे ये सिलसिले। अरमान ने ऐसे दिल में खिले जिनको कभी मैं न जानूं, वो हमसे हम उनसे कभी ना मिले, कैसे मिले दिल न जानूं। अब क्या करें, क्या नाम ले, कैसे उन्हें मैं पुकारूं। जिया जले जान जले, कुंची खंदुम कंचे को मुद्री मुर्खम चिंदे को मंचले वर्णम सुंदरी वावे, थांकी नका थगड़ियाड़म थंगलावे। कुंची खंदुम कंचे को मुद्री मुर्खम चिंदे को मंचले वर्णम सुंदरी वावे, थांकी नका थगड़ियाड़म थंगलावे। जिया जले जान चले नैनो तले, धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले, जानू ना सकी रे। जिया जले जान चले नैनो तले, धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले, जानू ना सकी रे। जिया चले जान चले।
यारी रे एक हो गए हम और तुम, तो उड़ गए नींदे रे, और खन की पायल मस्ती में तो कंगन खन के रे। हम्मा 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 ये हम्मा 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 हम्मा। ये पहली बार मिले तुम बेगम ये निकले, तुम पे ये जवानी धीरे धीरे मातम मचले रे। हम्मा 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 ये हम्मा 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 हम्मा। एक सौदा रात का, एक कौड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले तू कौड़ी चांद की। एक सौदा रात का, एक कौड़ी चांद की, चाहे तो चूम ले तू कौड़ी चांद की। एक चांद की कश्ती में चल पार उतरना है, तू हल्के हल्के कहना दरिया ना चल के। माया माया गुलाबी तारे चुनने सारे चुन, माया माया के जिस्म के परतों में दर्द के मारे चुन ले। माया माया गुलाबी तारे चुनने सारे चुन, माया माया के जिस्म के परतों में दर्द के मारे चुन ले। माया 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 bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm radioactive, radioactive. I raise my flag, dye my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. We're painted red, let's be riding. Whoa. I'm breaking in, shaping up, and checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, I'm radioactive, radioactive. All systems go. The sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside, I'm waking up. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, 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 I'm radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, radioactive, radioactive.
Dance has always been an integral part of the Indian films. Thus, through the decades, dance has also evolved, moving from typical folk and classical to upbeat, hip hop, and contemporary dance forms.
अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे वो दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे बड़ा मजबूर किया हाय तेरे प्यार ने मार दिया हाय तेरे प्यार ने बड़ा मजबूर किया हाय तेरे प्यार ने मार दिया हाय तेरे प्यार ने अब पछताए दिल हाय कित जाए दिल अब पछताए दिल हाय कित जाए दिल काहे को ये आग लगाई रे लगाई रे लगाई रे अपलम चपलम चपलाई रे दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे वो दुनिया को छोड़ तेरी गली आई रे आई रे आई रे अरे जा रे हट नट खट ना छूर मेरा घूंघट पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे अरे जा रे हट नट खट ना छूर मेरा घूंघट पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली रे
आया होली का त्योहार उड़े रंग की बौछार तू है नार नखरेदार मतवाली रे आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे हो धरती है लाल आज अंबर है लाल धड़कन पे धिनक धिनक ताल, झांझ बजे चंग बजे संग में मृदंग बजे, अंग में उमंग खुशियाली रे, आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे।
अरे जा रे हट हट फटना दूर मेरा घूंघट, पलट दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे, मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली रे। अय्या कुछ जानती तो कहती, रुत बन करके मैं खिली हूँ, डाली से झूमती मैं साजन से आ मिली हूँ। तू ही जाने रुत है कैसी और है कितनी रंगी शाम रे, रुत वुत शाम वाम मैं क्या जानू रे, रुत वुत शाम वाम मैं क्या जानू रे, जानू तो जानू बस इतना कि मैं तुझे अपना जानू रे, दिल विल प्यार व्यार मैं क्या जानू रे, दिल विल प्यार व्यार मैं क्या जानू रे, जानू तो जानू बस इतना कि मैं तुझे अपना जानू रे, दिल विल प्यार।
Tom tanana dhire na dhire na, 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 udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhire na, udana dhim tadana dhim tana dhire na, dhim tano 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 tadhire na, dhim tano 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 tadhire na, tom tana
इंडिया में दो तरीके के लोग होते हैं, एक होते डांसर्स, दूसरे नॉन डांसर्स. जो भी डांसर्स हैं, ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ यू एंड आई लव यू.